drift like shadows in the rain. Hearts can hurt in silent rooms, calling out each other's name. And I know I let you down, took your sweet love for a ride. Now I'm standing in the dark with these tears I cannot hide. Oh, hold me close, don't let go, baby, tell me love can still grow. One more chance, one more night, let me make this broken love feel right. After all the tears are falling, after all the hurt we knew, I would cross the sea to find you. Baby, I belong to you. After all the nights without you, after all I put you through, you're the part of me forever. I can't stop loving you. Oh, after all the tears are falling, after all the tears are falling, the moonlight at my window don't shine the same tonight. Roses in my garden lost their color in your light, and every road I travel still leads me back to you. Baby, don't let love walk away. Tell me what to do. Oh, hold me close, don't let go. Tell me love can still grow. One more chance, one more night, let me make this broken love feel right. After all the tears are falling, after all the hurt we knew, I would cross the sea to find you. Baby, I belong to you. You're the heartbeat in my silence. You're the dream I'm holding to. Girl, don't let this love walk away. Now there's no me without you. Oh, there's no